Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to hide rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is have a set of data available for us. Next, the thing that we need to do is select certain rows. Let's say I'd want to choose multiple rows to hide. Let's say this selection over here. And let's remove Jimmy's row just in case by using the control button and clicking the row that Jimmy belongs to. Next, all we have to do is right click on our selection and click on the hide option. Doing so allows us to hide the certain rows that we selected. We can see that there are hidden rows by looking at the indicators on the left side of our screen. If we see that a number has skipped, for example 1, 2, 3, and immediately it turned to 6 and then 8, then that must mean one thing, which is there are hidden rows present within our spreadsheet. Okay, now that that's clear, let's go ahead and undo our action. Let's go ahead and try the second option. Let's select a number of rows again. All we have to do this time is go to the Home tab and go straight to the Cells group and click on Format. Once we click on Format, we should go ahead and choose the Visibility option and hover your mouse on the Hide and Unhide options. Click on Hide Rows, and there we go. We just managed to hide the rows that we selected by using another method. And there we have it. This is how we hide rows in Microsoft Excel.